Are you looking to learn new Excel skills this year to help pay the bills? Hi, my name is John Okamporet. I'm the founder of excelcampus.com, and I have a free training coming up on one of the most important and valuable skills in Excel. I'm referring to macros and VBA. So with macros, we can write code in Excel to help automate some of those boring and repetitive tasks we do every day or every week. You're doing something like updating a monthly report, formatting a journal entry, or copying and pasting data. All of these types of tasks can be automated with macros and VBA. So the training I have coming up is called the 7 Steps to Getting Started with Macros and VBA, and it'll really help you learn and get started with this very valuable Excel skill. So to join us, click the link right here in this video to go to the registration page, and there you can pick a date and time that works for you and attend the free training. I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks again and have a great day. Bye.